The leadership crisis rocking Fushegmu Arena House of Ijabode has taken a new dimension as Chief OTUNBA Ajidagba has filed a suit in the State High Court Ijabode Division, asking OTUNBA Awoyemi to stop parading himself as a member of Fushegmu Arena House. Chief OTUNBA Ajidagba, who made this known while addressing journalists at Agunshebi Quarters, Ijabode, added that a case has been filed at the Ogun State High Court, Ijabode, to restrain him from parading himself as one of them. Anthony Gandana has the details.
Speaking to journalists after filing the court documents at the Ijabode High Court on Wednesday, September 17, 2025, OTUNBA Ajidagba said the suit aimed at stopping impersonation by OTUNBA Awoyemi. The Oloriebi OTUNBA Ajidagba accused OTUNBA Owoyemi of unlawful parading himself as the family head, contrary to the previous ruling of Ijabode High Court 2 before Justice Ashenuga after the demise of Awujale Obasikiru Kayode Adetona.
After the judgment of that court by Mrs. Ashenuga, the judge of Ijabode High Court number 2 then, that since this man admitted, that's the point that is causing trouble now, that this man, Lateef Owoyemi, admitted that is not from a royal blood and that is from Ikoro Ekiti. And he does not deny that his father is an OD. Say, what does he want in Fushegmu ruling house? He has nothing doing there. The judgment is there. The woman based her judgment simply because he admitted or not himself that he is from Ikoro Ekiti, and that he has no royal blood, and that his father is an palace messenger. The family now decided that another person, definitely an Oloriebi must be a full-blooded prince.
OTUNBA Ajidagba asserted that Owoyemi has no ancestral link to the Ilenla compound of Agunshebi, the historic seat of the Fushegmu ruling house.
It was the Awujale late Sikiru Adetona that exposed him. That is our bone of contention. That's why I call you people to understand what is happening. People misunderstood this thing. Based on that, we are filing a suit for civil suit against him to come either confirm or deny what he said to Mrs. Ashenuga then. Criminal aspect of it, the lawyer are working on it. You yourself in the dock admitted the allegation later Awujale made against you. You admitted it. After the demise of Awujale now, you think there's nobody. We are there. You came out. It definitely is the court that will serve him. The bailiff have gone to look for him and give him his own copy.
The claimants are asking the court to restrain Owoyemi from presenting himself as Oloriebi of the Fushegmu ruling house and to enforce earlier court directives on the matter. In Ijabode, Anthony Gandonu, NTA News.